Hello friends, today we'll open the Dell Pro 14 Plus. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's go. First, we undo 9 screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. We are using a Japanese industrial standard number 1 screwdriver, but you can also use your regular Phillips type. The screws stay captive in the lid, so they don't fall out. With a thin plastic pry tool, we begin popping loose the clips that lock the cover in place. We glide past the cooling radiator so we don't bend its fins, then continue along the edge toward the hinge. Finishing up wherever a stubborn clip is still holding on. Double check that every screw thread is completely released. The bottom plate comes off. We carefully pull the battery connector out of its socket. We unscrew 5 screws securing the battery to the chassis. Except for the first one, the others are captive to the battery shell. The battery in our unit is the larger 55 watt-hour pack option. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. 3 are out, 2 more to go. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. We remove the single screw holding the M.2 2230 solid-state drive. The Intel X211 Wi-Fi 6E card sits right next to it. You'll find information about the storage speeds and the SSD reliability in the full review on laptopmedia.com. Our unit arrived with a Micron 2500 NVMe drive. There are 2 DDR5 memory slots and one of them is already populated. They accept modules up to 5600 megatransfers per second when a Core Ultra CPU is installed, or 5200 megatransfers per second with the regular chips. Our 16GB configuration came with a single SK Hynix module. Don't forget to check out our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Thanks for being with us today. If you want us to open more machines, subscribe to our channel.